Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. My name is Sean Zhang, and I am a recent graduate of the MSBA program that was truly intense and rigorous in my standard. I remember how excited and nervous I felt before starting this program last summer. In hindsight, it would have been super helpful if I had reached out to professors about what I can study and practice in advance to be well prepared for upcoming boot camps, fall and spring semesters, along with the capstone project. Following are some of the responses and remarks that professors have recently provided to incoming and MSBA 22 students. I hope you enjoy this.
Welcome, class of 2022. The program office and I are eagerly looking forward to your arrival. Well, there are many good things to start with. One, we're going to have completely in-person classes, and we are not going to be subject to a lot of the rules that your previous cohort was subjected to. And so, which means that hopefully you will get to enjoy the high touch and feel of the Goizueta programs. I know you're going to embark on a fairly intense journey. During these 10 months, you will become experts in R, Python, machine learning, visualization, a whole bunch of topics. But most importantly, you're going to make connections with your cohort, connections with your teammates, and connections with your faculty. We, of course, in the program office are always going to be with you. At times, you might find this journey very tough, but that's what we promised you during the admissions process. But you will hopefully look back after you finish with the process to see how far you've come. The one question that I always ask the MSBA students somewhere in the spring semester is that, are you not surprised how much you know? And invariably the answer that I get is that I am completely astounded how much I know. I never thought I would know so much in the world of data science and business analytics. And I look forward to hearing exactly the same from you. Welcome. We are eagerly looking forward to your arrival here.
Welcome to the program. I will see you all in the math boot camp. Prior to entering academia, I spent over 25 years in industry, mostly as a consultant. I worked in many different fields, many of which I knew little about before taking on a project in that industry. But what I did have was an ability to solve problems. Problem-solving ability is probably the most underrepresented skill in industry. As much as possible over the next year, hopefully you will improve your problem-solving abilities. The best way to do this is solve lots of problems. Try to solve problems by yourself. Don't give up quickly and ask your friend or the instructor for help. You have to struggle with the material, trying one thing and then the next until you hit on a solution. That is how you will learn. That isn't to say that after you have figured out how to solve the problem, you shouldn't talk to others about how they solved the same problem. They very well may have taken a different approach or have taken the same approach but with a different rationale. You can learn from understanding how others attack problems. During the program, you will do team projects. The members of the team will have different skill sets, and there will be a great temptation if each team member work on the aspects of the project that they are already good at. So the person who's good at coding will take the lead on that. The one who's good at creating presentation materials will do all the PowerPoint, etc. Resist this temptation. When you work for a company, your manager is going to have you work on things you're good at. You, in turn, will eventually tell your manager that you want to do other things so you can improve your skills. Take the opportunity now to improve your skills broadly. Try to have everyone on the team contribute to all parts of the project. Don't shy away from any aspect of the program. You never know when the thing you thought was not important will exactly be what an employer is looking for, or the thing you need to solve a problem for your client. You will cover many different techniques in the program, and you often find that something you thought only applied to one domain actually applies to other kinds of problems. The opportunity over the next year is to build your toolkit, and you should try and make sure as many tools as possible are in that toolkit. Good luck.
Hello, MSBA class of 2022. I'm really looking forward to getting to meet you and getting to spend some time together in the fall. We're really excited about this incoming class, and we appreciate very much the hard work and preparation that you've done to get to this point. In the class I'll be teaching, we'll be studying social networks, where we'll be taking some concepts from network theory and social capital, and then applying these to real-world data. Where we're going to get a chance to develop some sophisticated programming approaches, but then also learn how to translate the technical side of what we've done to figure out the insights for different business applications, whether that's relating different kinds of network positions or different patterns of ties to things like firm behavior or financial performance. We'll get to look at a wide variety of empirical settings and figure out what kinds of network positions might be beneficial or detrimental to the performance of different organizations, firms, as well as political parties. So I'm really looking forward to all that we're going to do together in the fall. I hope you have a great summer, and I'll look forward to meeting you all soon. Bye.
The following is a response from Dr. Vilma Todrick. Congratulations on being accepted to the Masters in Business Analytics program at Emory University. As previous cohorts might have shared with you, a challenging but exciting year lies ahead of you. Here are 3 things you can do to be prepared for the program. First, practice self-care and know what are things you enjoy doing to decompress from challenging situations. Second, take the opportunity to refresh the fundamental skills which the program requires incoming students to master, such as Python programming skills. Third, develop time management skills to successfully get you through the program. It will be important to organize your time and know what needs to be prioritized. I look forward to meeting you in person. The following is response from Dr. Panus. It takes a lot of courage to embark on a new journey and pursue a graduate degree. In this journey, take advantage of the opportunities to learn from the others and benefit from the diversity in the backgrounds and experiences. Support each other and challenge each other to achieve your potential through this fast-paced program. The following is a response from Dr. Jesse Bogstad. 2 things that I think are essential for success in this program and beyond are having good problem-solving skills and a strong ability to learn new things. This program and a career in data science will present you with many challenging and fuzzy problems where the course of action is not obvious. People that succeed in this field know how to solve problems and know how to learn new things to help them solve those problems. One of the best ways I know for developing problem-solving skills is to learn how to code. Programming is problem-solving. The more hands-on experience you have with programming, the better you will get at breaking down problems and building solutions. These skills will carry over to all aspects of your education and career, not just programming-related tasks. So in your preparations for graduate school, go beyond simple data camp and Coursera courses. I highly recommend taking a college-level programming classes and developing some of your own projects before starting any master's degree in data science. Find the fun building things through programming, and you will find the problem-solving skills you need to be successful. The following is a response from Professor Anand Swaminathan. Welcome to Guwahati Business School's MSBA program. You are in for a hectic year where you will be exposed to many different statistical methods. I would like to think about 2 things. First, many of the methods used for predictions are not useful and in fact violate the assumptions used in developing causal models of the mechanisms that produce an outcome. Second, even if you do not have much domain knowledge, you need to consider carefully the processes that generate the data that you will be analyzing.
Welcome, class of 22. My name is Renee Bourbeau. I'm the Director of MSBA Career Services. I'm also the Director of Operations in the Graduate Career Management Center. As you begin the program, my advice to you is to own your own journey and make it your own masterpiece. We are here to come alongside you for your future career goals, and we will help you all along the way. We look forward to taking this journey with you. Welcome